This channel is gaining millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Today, I want to tell you something really interesting. Videos with African folktales are rapidly gaining popularity on YouTube. You may have already noticed how the number of such channels is growing. And the most amazing thing is that these videos are created using free artificial intelligence tools. Yes, you don't need expensive programs or special technical skills. A few simple steps and you will be able to create your own exciting video. Let's get started. The first step to creating a great video fairy tale is to choose a fascinating storyline that will hold the audience's attention from the very beginning to the end. To do this, we will use ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and ask him to create a script for an African folktale. Don't worry about coming up with ideas. ChatGPT will handle it for you. In a few seconds, you will have a unique and interesting storyline that will be perfect for your video. Now that we have a great script for the next movie based on an African folktale, now it's time to transform our script into a professional-sounding voiceover. Here 11 Labs comes to the rescue. An excellent artificial intelligence-based tool for creating natural speech. Open a browser and go to the 11 Labs website. Once you are there, set up the tool, then return to the GPT chat, where we have already created a script for an African folktale. Copy the entire text of the script and return to page 11 Labs. Paste it into the speech synthesis field and select the Voices option. First, you will be offered several basic voice acting options. Click on Find Other Voices to open a library with different timbres and accents. Take the time to study the available voices. Each of them sounds different, and it is important to choose the one that will perfectly match the mood and style of your video. When the choice is made, click Generate and wait for the artificial intelligence to create a natural-sounding voiceover that fully corresponds to your choice. Once the voice is generated, you can evaluate the result and upload the file directly to your device. The next step will be to create impressive images for our video using Leonardo AI. First, click on the image and the interface will open in front of you. Adjust the settings to ensure that you get the best images for our story. Go to Settings, select a preset style and set the aspect ratio of the image to 16:9. When the settings are ready, go back to the GPT chat and ask to generate a list of images for our African fairy tale video. Carefully study the received tips. If they do not completely suit you, do not worry. You can request new or updated ideas. GPT chat adapts them to your needs. After you have decided on the hints, copy the first one and return to Leonardo. Look at the generated images. Select the ones that best match your vision and download them. Repeat this process for all other images. So, the next step is to select the background music for our video. And for this, we will use Pixabay. Here you can find music without copyrights. When you select the music that you think perfectly matches your video, just download it to your device. Now that we have everything we need, images, voiceover, and background music, it's time to combine it all at the editing stage. To do this, we will use CapCut, a convenient tool that simplifies the editing process. Open CapCut, select New Project, and import all the images. Next, upload a voiceover. Listen to it carefully and start placing images according to the narrative so that each corresponds to the right part of the story, creating a smooth visual sequence. Now add background music, and when it appears on the timeline, turn down its volume so that it does not drown out the voiceover. Next, we will add a transition effect to add shine to the video. Go to the overlay options and select smooth transitions between clips for a dynamic visual effect. Select the first clip, add a keyframe at the beginning. Then stretch it slightly at the end of the clip to create a smooth zoom out effect. Repeat this for all clips to give your video a professional look. Now let's add animations to all the clips. This will give the video more depth and movement, attracting the attention of the audience. The next step is subtitles. Click on Text, select Auto Captions, then Create. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for your video. Check them and adjust them if necessary.